A singularity is a single point that has no volume, but the size of the Big Bang singularity continues to grow. I'm going to tell you why. In addition, I'm going to explain why the Big Bang didn't start as one. It started as a multi-point emergent energy landscape. A what? Edwin Hubble discovered a couple of things. The universe was bigger than the stars of the Milky Way, and the stars and galaxies are moving away from each other. The second idea is reinforced by other astronomers and physicists who refer to it as cosmic inflation. It says that the universe will continue to expand in the future, and it also says that in the past, the universe was more compact. Many scientists initially speculated that it was so small that it was the size of a singularity. It had no size. Its size was 0 meters. However, the size of the beginning has grown. It moved from 0 to the size of a soccer ball and is now thought to be about the size of a human. The reason for the increased dimensions is physics at smaller sizes doesn't make sense. We just don't know what happened in the time before the human-sized universe or how to handle the numbers. I'm not sure of the exact size of the universe at time 0 either, but it was probably much bigger than a human and composed of a multi-point emergent energy landscape, an EEL. Let me describe a one-point EEL to you. At t equals 0, nothing exists. At t equals 1, an energy pulse radiates out in a spherical pattern. The pulse is an electromagnetic wave moving through space. A two-point EEL also starts with nothing at t equals 0. At t equals 1, two magnetic pulses radiate in space, but they start from different locations. And at t equals 2, the crest of the waves intersect and constructively interfere. Because the additive amplitude of the pulses exceeds a certain threshold, they form a quantum particle, such as an electron. Thus, energy forms matter. The matter continues to interact with other particles, resulting in the formation of an atom. We start with nothing, then we have two electromagnetic waves that form matter. Note that the only way the waves can intersect is if they start at different points in space. If they started in the same place, as they would with a singularity, they would move in parallel and never merge. Energy pulses had to originate in separate locations for matter to form the universe. Because of the particle-specific trajectory, they run into and self-assemble with other particular particles. All of it occurs like clockwork. The Big Bang EEL was composed of countless numbers of pulses. They emerged in the beginning to account for all the matter and energy in the universe. The emergent energy at its various points in space formed the landscape. The position, intensity, and timing of the pulses had to be precise at the start to end up with your world 14 billion years later. Only the mind of God could have designed it. Only the will of God could have made it happen. Please click the thumbs up icon if you like this video. Also leave your comments and questions below. Until the next time, remember humility, thanks, and joy.